We're gathered here to have some fun. Let's raise a glass to celebrate a special day, a special date. Happy birthday to you. May all your dreams come true. We're so glad you're in our lives. Let's make some unforgettable vibes.